WKYT's Mid-Morning on the air. We're so glad you're with us today. If you're interested in a career in computer programming, or if you're considering a career change, you don't want to miss out on this. A Web Developer Bootcamp is coming to Lexington.
To learn more about it, we're joined by Nick Such, the director of Awesome Inc. Welcome. Glad to have you here.
Yeah, thank you all for having me.
We appreciate it. You know, when I was in college, there was all this push to become a computer programmer. That's what everybody was saying. And then it seems there was a time where they were pushing people sort of away from it. And now you say it is, it's back.
That's right. It's back. It's back in a big way. And we're seeing a lot more of, things from our finances to healthcare to agriculture making use of software. And we need people to build that software, and there aren't enough.
So the boot camp, that's what it's all about. Tell us how it works.
Yeah, so our boot camp is a 12-week program. As you mentioned before, it's not about push-ups necessarily. We might do some for fun. But it's a chance to learn how to be a web developer. To make not just those websites that you see, but we make web applications. Things that people log into, exchange data. And lots of companies, not just technology companies, need these things.
What can people expect then if it's not push-ups at the boot camp? What will they be doing?
Yeah, so we learn things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these programming languages. And the boot camp is made for people who don't have a background in computer science. It's made for people who are transitioning into that career. So maybe you've been in accounting and spent a lot of time in Excel spreadsheets. This is that next step where you can build actual applications.
But this is going to be a pretty intense course. It's not going to be like 30 minutes a day.
It is. No, this is not a walk in the park. This is someone's full-time thing. When we say boot camp, we mean intensity. So it's a 12-week program, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the students who are the most successful in this will be doing homework, working on projects after hours. And
you say it's a good opportunity for somebody who may be considering a shift in their career?
It is, yeah. So we actually we have 10 spots available in the boot camp. We've had applications rolling for the past several months. They end this Friday. And those we have just these 10 spots. We guarantee a job for everyone who completes the program.
Wow. So who do you think, who's the good candidate for this?
So we've actually had a very wide range. We have some kids who are coming out of college saying, I studied one thing and this is really what I want to get into, to people who've had a whole other career in something else, have always been curious and they're spent a lot of time on a computer and said, why can't I make some of these things?
Still time to apply, right?
There is. We have a webinar tomorrow afternoon. There's more information on our website, awesomeinq.com, about that. Applications close on Friday.
All right, the actual boot camp in August. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Sounds like fun. Well, it sounds exciting.
Work and fun.
Yes,
right.
That's right. Keep it right here.